Hi everyone, my name is Sally. This here is my special guest Ellie. In today's speech, I decided to demonstrate one of my daily activities that by now I'm a pro at. This activity I've been doing almost for 2 years. This activity terrifies men, disgusts children, and women dread it, even though they're usually the ones that get stuck doing it the majority of the time. Today, I'm going to show you how to change a baby's diaper. Step 1. Prep the area by grabbing baby wipes, a clean diaper, changing pad, and maybe some baby powder. Grab the child, and if needed, wrestle them to the floor or to the changing table. Wrestling normally isn't necessary unless you have a toddler. Step 3. Remove the child's clothing and prepare for the worst. Step 4. Grab a baby wipe and undo the diaper. When you wipe the baby, if it's a girl, you wipe front to back. The direction doesn't matter if it's a boy. Wipe until both the baby wipe and the baby are clean. Okay, it does have to cut off. Oh, poor baby. Step 5. After you clean them, you may need to use baby powder to dry the area to avoid diaper rash. Then place a clean, dry diaper underneath the baby's bottom. The adhesive part of the diaper wraps around to the front of the baby and fastens around their belly. Step 6. Put the child's clothes back on and prepare to do the same in a couple of hours or so. Or in my case, right now with baby number 2. That's it. You're all finished. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed watching my demonstration on how to change a diaper.
Okay, I can't see like this. It's gonna come off. I have a blind spot.
Step back some.